I know I stood on the Senate floor on June the 25th last year, and I did a lot of talking. Governor's office, who's listening, who knows how to listen, and who knows how to be a voice for all the hardworking people in this state. And we are going to make sure on November the 4th, because of all of you, because of all your hard work, because of your dreams, your belief that those doors and calls you're going to make and knock, you are going to make the difference, and you